Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sanya and today's video I'm going to talk about the benefits of meditation, and I'm very happy creating this content because this is something which has truly changed my life and I really love sharing it with others. The very first point that I want to mention here is that I have started to listen to my own inner voice a lot in my life, and not only listen to it but also become obedient to it. Earlier, I also used to get the similar kind of voices. For example, I always had this calling in me that I don't want to pursue a corporate career. I want to do something creative in life, but I didn't have the guts to really pursue it. I was kind of not very confident that things will turn out right for me and I'll be able to make money out of it or not. But at the same time, I was not even happy in my job. I never envisaged myself making this kind of content on YouTube a few years back. But things have changed so much in last 2 to 3 years, and I feel that it's because of meditation that now I am somebody who is very much fulfilled creating content like this, and I want to do it more. And I just love creating such content where I'm able to inspire others and also share the insights from my own life, and it just feels so good. And I've finally come to a point in my life where I was able to finally quit my job because I have a lot of confidence in me that I'll be able to do something here or in the creative world, because I have been pursuing that since last 2 years, and I see that there are a lot of options and there's a lot of abundance in the world provided you have the right mindset to pursue what you want to pursue in life. Now I have started to treat all the people around me, all the objects around me, things around me with more love and patience, which was lacking earlier for sure. The third point that I want to make here is I've become more wise in choosing where I will be investing my energy, and I just have become very conservative of the energy that I have, because I know I have limited amount of energy throughout the day, and if I keep on investing it into things which don't align with my life anymore, I will be eventually wasting my life and I'll not be able to manifest the things that I want to manifest eventually. Fourth point is that I'm not rushing in life anymore. I've started to appreciate flow state more in life and I let it overtake me instead of trying very hard to do the things like I used to do earlier. And I've observed that I'm doing things more intuitively rather than forcefully in life. And I'm also able to keep myself harmonious from within. And I've seen that I'm improving every day with it. The more I practice being concentrated, the more it helps me to really do the things more efficiently and become more present with everything that I do. Fifth point is that I have developed deep faith in God, and I've realized that the more we surrender in life, the more we are guided. This surrender is something which has helped me a lot in life, and I've seen the magic of surrender. And I've also shared a video on this before, which is linked above, so I would suggest that you should watch it too. The sixth point is that I have started to take responsibility of my own mistakes in life, and I learn from them regularly. And I do it as and when it's possible for me. Earlier, I used to react to a lot of things in the external world, and that reaction used to come back to me in some way or the other. But now I'm able to stop that reaction in my head first, and after that, even if it's happening in my head, I work on resolving those conflicts by contemplating upon it. Whenever I feel that I have the right energy to do so, I will take action. The seventh point is that I don't have self doubts anymore. I feel more confident, I feel more alive and more joyous. And that's the beauty of meditation. You can all feel through this video. Let me talk about the other material benefits in my life. That I've become more present in my relationship more than before. I don't really get into verbal arguments with anyone now. I try to understand where they're coming from, and I kind of have a lot of compassion now compared to how I used to before, where I used to keep people in the boxes and never used to forgive others at all. So this forgiveness has also come very naturally to me. Second is that I'm able to regulate more of my emotions. Third point is that my health has improved a lot. And you won't believe that only a year and a half before, I had this issue of constant burping when I used to get stressed. But This has just disappeared in my life, and I didn't know that it was coming from stress. First of all, this issue of digestion has also gone away, and it's such a miracle. Another point is that I don't feel lonely anymore. I am driven all the time with a purpose, and I feel that I want to be alone so that I can work on the things I want to work, and it feels just so good. Another point is that I'm not addicted to any bad habits anymore. Next point is that I'm also able to implement my plan, whatever I make for myself, in a much better way without getting distressed by the workload, and it feels so empowering to me. Another point is I can see that I'm able to make a little difference in other people's life whenever I talk to them. If I feel that the person who's talking to me leaves me with a good energy, it means my work is done. And I feel so good about that. I've developed more empathy, and I feel that I want to give back more compared to just keep taking from it. Also, the last point is that I have become more creative, or you can say, instead of consuming more, I started to create more. And I've always been a creative person, but that creativity used to come in randomness. Sometimes I was very creative, sometimes I was not at all creative. But now, since I'm able to concentrate more and I'm able to channelize my energy through meditation, I'm able to maintain this creative flow in my life, and that's how I'm able to create the content, do the things that I want to do in my life, and also try to keep my job afloat at the same time. So all these things are happening parallelly, and I'm just not at all distressed. I'm just very happy that I'm doing all of them at the same time. So these were my personal opinions, but I've seen a lot of videos lately upon what others are sharing about benefits of meditation, and I came across a lot of powerful insights from the psychological part of videos where people are saying that there have been a lot of experiments which have been performed on monks who meditate for longer durations compared to the people who don't meditate a lot, and they have seen that the waves which were generated were of gamma frequency. In a normal human mind, gamma is produced very rarely. So what they were talking about is that this gamma frequency is something which is of higher energies, and it is something which is so strange. Those frequencies that we're emitting in the outside world, those are exactly what helps us manifest the kind of life that we want. So it was really good to see that video. There's another video that I saw. Whatever area of your mind is the strongest, that is where the gray matter is deposited more. So people who meditate a lot, their prefrontal cortex has more gray matter compared to the people who don't meditate and mostly are stressed. For them, their amygdala, the limbic system, the area of the mind which is more supported with fear, is having more gray matter. Now, how does it make a difference? People who meditate more in life, they are able to take better decisions, they are able to live a quality life, they are able to have a concentration power. And even the most successful people in the world, it is observed that the prefrontal cortex is more developed compared to other people. So, if you want to be successful in life, if you want to make more money, if you want to be happy, you need to meditate so that your prefrontal cortex gets developed more compared to your fear area. And if you're somebody who is stressed, this is one activity that you should do, because it is proven scientifically that you have the power to change the structure of your brain, and also spiritually you can actually just start learning to deal with energies like I shared before. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.